Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to set up and also enable the power saving mode. So you can find the power saving mode in your notification panel when you slide it down, and once more, and it's right here, the power mode. And when you tap on it, it will bring up basically this window. So it gives you a message to extend your battery life, will block apps from using data or your location in the background. You can also apply the settings below. So apart from that, it kills off the apps in the background, I believe, as I think every power saving mode does. So any app that has been running in the background for some extended time will be just killed off. And also you have this neat feature right here to limit your CPU to 70%. So you won't be getting the same amount of performance out of your device as you were, for instance, before you turn that on. You will lose about 30% of it. And you also have the brightness slider right here, so you can change it to reduce the brightness by 10, 5%, or to not bother with it at all. And once you satisfy all the things that are set, you can also disable this CPU limit if you don't want that. Although limiting your CPU will probably greatly increase your battery life, comparing that to just lowering the brightness. So this is a good, one of the better ways to save the battery if you're really struggling with it. And then tap on apply. It's gonna start turning it on. It gives you a list of the things that it did, and there it is, it's now enabled. And you can also pull it down and see that it's gonna be now enabled right here. Also, I believe you can hold it, and you have additional option right here. So right now we're on the medium power saving mode, but you can also go to an extreme one, and this is, well, truly extreme. So if you enable that, apart from whatever it tells you, well, the same thing that it will do when you tap on it, you will see a drastic difference. Everything goes black. And give it a moment. This does a little bit more change, and there we go. As you can see, this is your home screen now, and you have a bunch of like normal apps. The background is fully black to preserve as much battery, on top of everything that was doing before with like limiting CPU and brightness. It also basically removes backgrounds. Anything that can consume battery is now disabled, and you can even see it right here in the super limited amount of toggles you have. And the only thing that you really can access is the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the location, which, as you can see, also are disabled right now. And to leave this mode, you would simply pull down the toggle, and you have the button right here. Again, the same as before, the battery. And when you tap on it, it goes straight back to being disabled. So everything should go back to normal before we even toggled the first one. And there we go, we're back in the normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.